Good afternoon, guys. It's 4:38 p.m. Today is December 21st, 2021, and today is Tuesday. So let's start with the closing remark from yesterday. So ES sellers needs to hold below 46.13 to keep control, and Q sellers need to hold below ideally 750. Backup is 16,000. Russell, this one is the key, and which may impact the direction of other markets. So Russell is the key now, right? So it bounced from the support and then it lifted all the markets up. Okay. Now due to yesterday's bounce, right? So we know because of RTY all other indexes bounce. So now we were favoring sellers before that, but now we are neutral, so we can trade both ways, and still keep in mind that below this area ES sellers has a control from the short term and stick level to level with level to level, right? ES is range bound still between this range, and Q is range bound between this range, right? So overall nothing is changed, price is neutral, but intraday we have to pick up the direction, right? Since it's a neutral, we have to pick up one direction, and if it shift from buyers to sellers, sellers to buyer, we have to change accordingly. Above Globex high in and Q, more buyers will come, or above 750, more buyers will come, and then Russell, this is the area. Today it's all about this and this, right? Above both, buyers will become active, and below both, more sellers will take it down again to this area, right? But this scenario never happened, so that means about this, stick with buyers. Russell was the best instrument to trade without any difficulties to the long side. Dow short below 35.50, 35.350, or long above 34.900. You have to pick your choice based on the other markets. Gold is ready for trading only if it stays above this or goes above this, but probably I did not check gold today, but probably, let me see, I don't think so it went above it, but let me check. Nope, it did not went above these things. I think it went up to 99, 1800, 2 points, and then it came down, right? So gold no trading. Crude no trading because it has expanded the range from 73 to 64. But still, if you want to trade, then do level to level trading, right? So I don't know, I didn't even check the crude today either. So let's see, crude 8 o'clock, where did it open? Damn thing, 69 or 70 something. I think between 69 to 70 it opened, so which is this area. And then it started the move, went here, 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 here. It's just stayed higher and higher, and basically it closed right here. See, level to level. So crude level to level. So let's go here. So these are the trades, right? So now this is all from the Discord, right? I was able to pick up this short, but I did not take it, but actually it prevented from other users to go long, because here I said when price was going higher, everybody was thinking it's going to go higher. I said 97 can act as a resistance, in real time, and NQ 715, 700 area. So this was the area, so both went down right from here. Then when it came down here, when it was coming down, I said 72, which is this area, to 65 is a buyer's area. So you will get a bounce from here. I was not imagining this much bounce, but I said you will see a bounce, right? But it's up to us in real time whether you wanna push the button at the top of the range 72, or in the middle, or 65, right? Because price can technically come here, and bullish disconnect was there, right? So it's up to buyers whether they want to buy it here. So basically 65 to 72, this was the range I gave, so they bought it from here, right? So we were observing it, so but at least we were able to pick up this long, not from here, because I did not push the button in ES, because I was waiting for dip little bit more, But NQ at the same time, I also said NQ I went long 636. Since I'm not trading officially, right? So I did my sim account trading. But the key is both days, yesterday and today, we were able to pick up the low of the day, pretty much for the long side. So those who took the 636 long, they got rewarded. My target was 719 to 765, right? And then if you held it, you had a lottery, right? Or if you bailed out, still you got a very couple of good points, 40, 30, 50 points. So and yes, when it bounced from here, right, I said it has to go above 90s and then it has to hold above 90 and take out 97. And if it does take out 97, most likely it will take out 97. These were my words. Most likely it will take out 97. If it goes above 90 and then pull back around 90, holds it, then most likely it will take out 97 and it will go toward 46.30, and that could be the high of the day. If 46.13 is taken out, then most likely 4635, this one will become the high of the day, and that is the max I can think for the high of the day. And you can see it, price just closed right here, and this one also, we were talking about longs. One of the users said, can we go long at 02, which is somewhere around here, and put a stop at 97. I said it would be better to go long at 05, 07 and put a stop at 02 then, or 01, then going long at 02, and the price did not even pull back to 02, and that was not a good long. Even though if it would have pulled back, 05, 06, 07 was a good long here, and profit target is up to you. You can bail out here, right at 13 again, get few points and out, or you can hold on to it. You can have to manage it in real time, So because I do not see the future, but if 13 is taken out, that is your confirmation that you can hold it, or you can go long again here, try it with stop right below here, and then you can try 35, because that was the next target. So those were the trades, and this one was the trade. And then when price came here, right here, I said it needs to hold above 675. If it holds it, then it will go higher. If it doesn't hold it, go back, then the day is screwed, no trading, right? So, and then it went higher here. I said it needs to hold above 768, 759 or 750. If it holds it above and take out 785, which was our dream number, then it will go higher. Those were my words right here in Discord. I had a written statement there, But anyway, so, and of the open also, this was 787 was our dream number. 750 was our dream number. You can see there is a bounce from 750. There is a rejection from 787 right from the open, So those were the trades too, But I usually don't trade it this way, right of the open. But those were the trades, You just have to figure out. But levels are there for you, overall. So now we know the buyers from here, right here, and NQ buyers from here, right? So, and also now it is up against the short-term sellers here and here. So if ES goes above both of this, then it's gonna go higher all the way up to 4700, and then it may get rejection, and then it will go higher eventually, Overall, it's a bullish market. Short-term sellers are there, but they are up against the long-term buyers, mid-term buyers, long-term buyers, So, and it's a Christmas holiday week, So the volume is low. It's driven by algorithms, So that's why you will see all this up and then down and all this thing, So, but I'm not officially trading till January 3rd, but I'm just playing around sim account, just to kill the time with the members. Till 10:30 usually I'm live with users, and then after 10:30 I usually take a day off and don't bother to check the screen, So that's how it is now. So what else? Nothing else, right? So Russell is the one to look for, to the upside further. And then I'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow is the last day, and then I will take completely off till December 27th, and then again I will start publishing notes starting 27th. Okay, so that'll be all for today.